This little Lite-Brite Mini is a great toy and a great gift idea. First off, look how little it is, and we all know what a Lite-Brite is, but this one is a tiny version, and there's so many people that are doing content creation these days. This is a great gift because they can put this in their background, on their live show, you know, as a part of the scenery, and it's so easy to use. There's batteries, you got a switch, you turn it on, and there you go. There must be some sort of foam or felt behind there, because as you remove them, it blocks out the dot, and then as you put in the new one, it pokes through and you get the light there. So it works really great to make little digital, like 32-bit images. So you get 85 glowing pegs, you get the little light box, and I think this is a great idea for a gift for an artistic person or someone who is making content. Hope this helps.